Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have a list. Start now by checking if order matters. If order does not matter, converting to a set is fastest because sets enforce uniqueness directly. Once done, you can assign unique items equals set items to get unique values quickly. Make sure to note that sets are unordered, so the relative sequence is lost. If you care about order, stop here and choose the ordered technique in the next slide. This keeps predictable output while still removing duplicates efficiently. Now perform the ordered removal. Use result equals list dict from keys items. This works because dict keys must be unique, and since Python 3.7 dict preserves insertion order, the first occurrence is kept. Once done, you have a list with duplicates removed and original order intact without loops or external libraries. Make sure to convert back to list if you need list methods. Dict from keys returns a dict-like view. If you want to keep last occurrences instead, reverse, dedupe, finish by validating the result and choosing the right trade-offs. If you need list-specific operations, confirm with isinstance, result list. For very large datasets, a plain set conversion is faster and uses less code, but it sacrifices order, choose accordingly. If duplicates persist, inspect items for hidden differences, extra spaces, different cases, or types like 1 versus 1, 0. If that happens, normalize values first, strip whitespace, lower strings or cast types, then repeat the removal step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.